What's up everyone and welcome back to Cameras Everywhere. On December 29th, 2021, the Free Press journalist known as Rogue Nation visited the Northport, Florida City Hall. During his visit, a public employee called 911 to summon police, evidently in order to create a chilling effect against the First Amendment rights of we the people. This video alternates between that emergency phone call and the actual events recorded by Rogue Nation. Watch and listen as the truth unfolds right alongside the lies. And remember, rights don't end where feelings begin.
Northport Emergency.
Hi, we have a guy in the lobby. He's filming stuff and he's like getting in people's faces and being very nasty and rude.
When it says utilities, do you provide just water or water and electricity?
Just water and sewer services. Electricity is Florida Power and Light.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Is he white, black, or Hispanic?
He's white, wearing all black, has a hat on, baseball cap, probably about 5'9".
Are these for the public or do you have to pay for them?
These are for employees.
Employees?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. To take, or do the employees have to buy them?
The employees don't need to buy them. They're giveaways for the employees.
Giveaways for the employees. Perfect. This too?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the public can't have them, just the employees?
Just the employees, yes, sir.
Okay. All right. All right. I'm going to put them back then.
Okay. So he's filming people. Well, what else is he doing?
He's just filming people, and when people ask if they can help him what he's doing, he just gets really nasty and very rude, and he won't stop filming.
Okay.
Okay. How do I make a record request for like the cost of the items?
That would be the city clerk's office, which is straight across the way.
Perfect. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year.
Thank you, ma'am. Are these for the public, the candy?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, did he advise why he's there?
No, he won't tell anybody. He just says, I don't need your help, and then when somebody asks him again, he says, do I speak Spanish?
City clerk? Great. I need to make some record requests.
And your name, sir?
Lee.
I have called Mike up to help you.
Perfect. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
One of our guys went out there to talk to him. He's just being very evasive and nasty, and
Morning,
Morning.
Mr. Lee.
Yes.
I'm glad I can help you out.
I need some record requests from you, sir.
Sure.
First, I need to know, over there in the Human Resources Department, the young lady said that the wellness coordinator has bought some items. I see them out on the table. The cups, the coffee mugs, the stuff like that. She says they're for employees only, not the public.
Okay.
So I'd like to know, in the last year, how much money we've spent on those items to give away to the employees, and if that's included with their benefit package that they use on their tax forms.
and so he asked him.
He's in the lobby, right?
Yes, first floor lobby. I have pictures of him too. If he's not here, then
Okay, he's still there right now, right?
I believe so. Kim, is he still out there? He's still out there? He's still out there.
Okay.
And here's my email address with my card. You can just email me either the cost of emailing the records,
Sure.
which I don't think should be much. There shouldn't be anything redacted. And then they can just send it to my email because I live hours away. So,
Where are you from?
Ocala, Central Florida area.
Gotcha.
So,
Sure. That's what I can do for you.
all right. Well, thank you very much, Mike.
My pleasure.
I'll be on my way. Yep. Happy or Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Right on, thanks.
Yes, sir.
We have officers being dispatched. Hold on just a moment for me. Are you?
Yes.
Okay. We get a short tail alert as well.
Hold on for 1 second, please. How can I help you, sir?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you.
What are you looking for? I'm sorry. Are you looking for something?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
How can I help you?
Am I speaking Spanish or?
Yeah, but you're standing there. I want to know how I can help you.
I just said you can't. I'm good. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're at Extension, correct?
Yes, yep.
Okay, did he advise his name or anything?
Nope.
Okay.
Actually, he's wearing jeans and a black t-shirt. I'm sorry. I said he was wearing all black.
That's okay.
Hello.
How can I help you?
Oh, there you are. I don't need any help. I'm just taking a look around and seeing what's open for the public.
Oh, okay. Well, this is the Planning and Zoning Division for the
Well-
City of Northport.
Well, thank you, ma'am. You guys have a very lovely building here. I've been through it. I think this building has more Christmas trees than I've ever seen in any public building. That's amazing.
And if you look by the front desk, you won an award, or we won an award for the holiday
Oh, really?
celebration. Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, there's a lot of Christmas cheer going on. I like it. All right. Well, thank you, ma'am. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ho, ho, ho.
Yes, yes, yes. I want to see this award.
Oh, you gotta go.
Oh, it's the Frosty
You got
Award.
the Frosty Award.
Yeah.
So when you said when you guys try to offer help, what does he do?
He just got really nasty. Said he didn't need our help. And then when he was asked again, he says, "Do I speak Spanish? I don't want your help." And then somebody else went out there and talked to him, and he just was just nasty and wouldn't give him any information.
Congratulations on the Frosty Award, ladies. Yeah. Do you know what did you win besides the plaque here? Anything or
Just the plaque.
just the plaque?
Yeah.
All right.
Tina,
He's still out there, right?
is he still out there? I have the police on the phone. Mhm. Cause well, the police are gonna come check him out. So.
Hey, can I help you, sir?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay.
Yeah, of course he was.
Is he still out there?
Yeah.
Okay. And where are you in the city hall?
I'm in the building department. I'm straight back.
You're in the building department?
Yeah.
I saw it from the front, but I didn't get to see it from the side. Oh, I'm just checking out things. Thank you.
You checking out things? Can I have you speak with my supervisor about checking out things?
You can have me speak with whoever you'd like, honey.
Okay.
It's fine, as long as he doesn't cross the barrier of the
Okay.
door, you're allowed to do whatever it is you're doing. He can wander around the hallways and
Okay.
do his thing.
Thank you.
great.
Thank you, guys.
Just need to know that. Thank you.
Great.
Yep.
Shut the door. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not bothering her.
I know you're not, sir.
And you said you have pictures in case he leaves, right?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So I have this in. We have officers dispatched. Shouldn't be too much longer before they're there. Do you feel okay disconnecting until they get there?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm fine.
Okay, perfect. Call us back if anything changes or escalates, okay?
All right. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye.
Make sure he was, and I know he's a citizen, but I worked for the Navy for years, so I want to make sure that.
How's it going?
Good. I just saw you outside on my way back there. I just wanted to come and make sure you weren't massaging any feelings or anything. Good. I just saw you outside on my way back there. I just wanted to come and make sure you weren't massaging any feelings or anything, and just explaining them. Yeah, a lot of times when people call because they're nervous of a camera, that it's feelings. So usually they call the police, which aren't feelings enforcement, but law enforcement. Sometimes they come and massage their feelings instead of telling them the law. But I heard you telling them the law.
Gotcha.
So I'm very happy with that.
Yeah. You can record.
Any public area.
Any public area.
Yep.
I'm sure you know that.
Yep, I got the case law all with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you're brushed up on that kind of stuff. I have no problem with that, just as long as you're courteous and cordial to people, like they are with you, you know.
Well,
all I can really ask for.
Right, I don't-
Just a human being type deal.
Yeah.
Record whatever you want, man.
A lot of reefs, A lot of lights. They even have a Christmas village. Now, you guys saw that. I gave you a tour of the Christmas village.
And he's like getting in people's faces and being very nasty and rude. And he's like getting in people's faces and being very nasty and rude. And he's like getting in people's faces and being very nasty and rude.
Have a great day, okay?